Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about Google Tag Manager and GA4 Analytics. So I'm going to explain how to set up GA4 with Tag Manager so that you can use only your Google tag from the Tag Manager and paste it in your pages and have it ready for working with Google Analytics too. I'm Alan Lois, growing together with you to live our dreams. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe with the button down here or around the screen. And click the notifications bell so that you don't miss anything about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, Builderall, make money online, MAP system. So with Google Tag Manager, we can configure one tag inside the Tag Manager to be associated with different services, like for example Google Analytics, and also other kind of services like Google Ads or even Facebook. So not only related to Google services. And that way, instead of having to paste different codes in all our pages, we can just paste the Google tag from the Tag Manager, and it will handle all the configurations for the rest of the services for us. And now I'm going to show you step by step how to configure the Tag Manager together with the Google GA4 Analytics. So we come to Google and we type Tag Manager, and we choose this one. And here, maybe you don't have anything here, you can create an account and you type, for example, your domain. And you come here again and create a container. And you select the type of target platform you want to use. Usually it's web for desktop and mobile web pages. You can accept here, down here, and just click yes. And now we'll see this. This is the code that we can use in our pages, and it will take care of all the relations, all the other services that we associate, like Google Analytics or Google Ads or whatever. We only need to use this code, this one and this one. So we paste this code in our pages, and now we click here to close the window. We go here to tags, and here's where we are going to create a new tag for Google Analytics and a new tag for Google Ads or whatever other service we want to configure here, okay? So we click new, here we click the tag configuration, and we are going to choose this one, GA4 configuration. And now we need an ID from Google Analytics. So we need to go there. So we're going to Google, and we type Google Analytics. And we choose this one, the first one. So you come here and you click create account. If you don't see this page exactly like this, just look for the blue button for create account, and you click there. And you need to type the name for your account. In this case, I'm going to use this one, for example. You don't need all these things, which are just for sharing information and data with Google. So next, now we need here something called property. This just put the same name, for example. You choose your location and your currency and your time. Just click next. Now you're going to say something about your business. You can say, for example, business and industrial, depending on your niche, of course. And just choose something here. How do you intend to use your business? Your Google Analytics with your business. Analyze my online sales, for example. And now you have to accept the terms. Okay, now you have your property configured. And we are here in data streams because we need to create one. And depending on what you're using, an app or a web page, in my case it's a web page, that's the most common case right now for us. So we're going to choose web, and we're going to type here the website URL. In this case, for me it's this one, and just a name. I'm going to use the same URL as the name. We create stream. And this is going to give us this page where we don't need to do anything else. We just need this code. And now we go back to the Tag Manager here, and we just paste it here. We don't do anything else here. We don't need it right now. We just need to choose which pages are going to trigger this tag for the tag manager to use the Google Analytics code. So we're going to click here and we just choose all pages because we want to track all the pages in our website. And now we just click add, and there we have it, all pages with this code of Google GA4 Analytics, and we save. We need a name. We can put here, sorry, not that, the domain, just in case we have something else later, so we know what this tag is for. And we click submit here. We need to click submit for it to really work, and publish. We don't need this, the container description. So now it's going to be ready and working. Now we can go back here to workspace, and this is the page where we were before in the tag manager. We'll go here and see our tag here, just checking. And we already said that we need this code. If you are using a normal web page, you need to paste this in the head section of your HTML code, and this code in your body inside of your HTML code too. But if you are using Builderall, and the same thing goes for MAB System, which runs together with Builderall websites, in a Builderall website you can just close this and select this text just like this, because we don't need the actual code, we just need this ID, and we are going to paste it in our website configuration, in our website settings. So we come to our dashboard inside Builderall. And by the way, if you don't know what Builderall is a platform for creating websites, for email marketing, and a lot of different other apps that it has included in the same platform, around 40 different tools. And you have website builder, funnel builder, which is what we are going to use now. And if you don't have an account yet with Builderall, you can create one using the link that I'm going to leave in the description and in the comments. So right now we go to Cheetah, we click here, and here we are in the Cheetah website builder. This is my websites. You can come here. This is the MAB system inside Builderall. So if you don't know what the MAB system is, I'm going to leave a link in the description also, so you can check it there. But it's done for you, the most done for you system that you can ever imagine for having a business like in a box. It's ready and working, downloaded for you inside your Builderall account. And here we just need to go to these three dots on our website and look for settings, and then script settings on the left menu. And there we have these places where we can paste the codes, pixels, but we just need the Google Tag Manager, because the Google Tag Manager can take care of Google Analytics and Facebook and even more things. So we just need the code here. This is an example, so we need to go back to the Tag Manager here, copy this code here that we just got from what we already created. We copy it and we go to Cheetah right here, and we just paste it here. We just paste it here like this. We just click save and then republish, and then we have it ready. And as a free gift for watching this whole video with me, I'm going to give you a free PDF about the 7 ninja hacks to grow your email list fast. Because for any online business, the most important asset is your email list, so you can get in contact with your possible clients and your clients in general. So look for the link in the description for the PDF. And if you like the video, you just give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down here or on the screen. It won't cost you anything, and it will help me a lot. And click the notifications bell so you don't miss anything about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, making money online, Builderall and DFY System, a lot of things. And if you want me to make a video about any specific topic for you, just leave it in the comments. I will try to make a video for you. And see you in the next video.